This video has been recorded in the Shona language. If you are interested in the content of this video, but you do not understand the Shona language, you can check in the comment section. You are going to find a link. That link takes you to a video which contains the same content but recorded in the English language. Thank you. Tiri kuda kuita a subscribers question. Question yedu iri kuti, if 32 to the power minus 2 over 5 is equal to 2 to the power p, find p. Saka kuti ti answer question iyi, tinoda a working knowledge of the laws of indices. Saka kana paine mutemo wema indices watenge tashandisa, ticha indicator as we go through our solution. Saka chekutanga ndechekuti we need to examine this question. Iri kuti 32 to the power minus 2 over 5 is equal to 2 to the power p. Saka tiri kuda kuexpressa this expression ine the same base. Yatiri kuti base in this case ndi 2 to the power p. Saka 2 ndiyo base, then p ingechinzi power kana kuti exponent. Can we express 32 with a base of 2? Saka tiruda kusama kuziva kuti 2 to the power n is equal to 32. Tiruda kuziva kuti 2 to the power ani inotipa 32. Then from trial and error, tikati 2 times 2 tinoona 4, 4 times 2 ndi 8, 8 times 2 ndi 16, then 16 times 2 ndi 32. Kureva iko kuti 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32. So this is not part of your solution. This is just the thinking process. So tinoita much for our solution tichati, instead of writing 32 to the power minus 2 over 5, tichanyora iri 2 to the power 5, then bracket totaisa minus 2 over 5. This is equal to 2 to the power p. Then we should know kuti kana ma powers edu anokwanisa kumultiply. Without this power and this power can multiply. That is why, again, I want to demonstrate something. Kukuratidza kuti ma powers edu anokwanisa kumultiply. The reason inoita kuti titi ngatiti na a squared is equal to b. Kana chida kuti a squared asarari ega tinodi tinoisa square root. Totaisa kuti square root panapa. Tozoti kubvisa ka square kanaka tinointroduce square root. Kuroti kuno kuchasara kuina a, then kuno kuinge iri plus or minus the square root of b. Reason inoita kuti kana chida kubvisa square tinoisa square root inawe yekuti square ya a anditi yakafane kuti a to the power half. Saka kana tichida square root ya a squared, tiri kuti a to the power half times 2. Kureva iko kuti ma2 aya chakancelana isareri a to the power 1. Saka pandango demonstrate kuti kana ma powers ari kusangana in multiplication, powers can actually multiply. So ma powers edu acha multiply panapa 5 ya kutocheka 5 kuroti tasara tina 2 to the power minus 2, it's equal to 2 to the power p. Now since t ine the same base, apa ndi 2, apa ndi 2, ku left hand side the base is 2, ku right hand side the base is 2. So revise kuti ma powers edu should be equal to each other. Therefore our answer is p is equal to minus 2. P is equal to minus 2 is going to be our final answer. So this is how we solve this question. Hatina kunyanyo apply the laws of indices. Tango apply a working knowledge of the laws of indices. Kana uine muvunzo pametira tight up this question, you can ask in the comment section. Kana uine imwe mivunzo maringene mashomu, be it Cambridge, be it SimSec or any other paper, so long it ordinary level mathematics, you can send the question directly to me. Directly how? Kwingwa kutoenda ku ma details at this YouTube channel. Iko channel one my email, maybe my WhatsApp numbers. then you send it directly to me, or you just copy and paste that question in comment section, then I'm sure to attend it. Otherwise, kune vese vari kushandisa mavideo aya to prepare for their ordinary level mathematics, be it Cambridge, be it Simsek, I wish you justice. Kana mabatsirika, please subscribe, share and like. Zvinoita kuti vamwe vanoda rubatsiro kumasvomo vanokasika kuruwana nokuti they will discover this video and this channel, hopefully vobatsirika vonyora olevel yavo vopasa. Maita basa.